In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can create and add split screen app pair to Edge panel. Begin by deciding which apps you use the most in split screen view. Then click on the first one that will be located on the top half of your screen and access it in the background. Now click on this icon at the top of it and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, select Open in split screen view and tap on a second app. Now with both of your apps opened in split screen view, you can click on those two dots between them and tap on this little icon of a star located on the right. Finally, select Apps Edge panel over here and go back. So now when I access my Edge panel, I can click on the shortcut to use my apps in split screen view. If you want to remove your shortcut, you need to access Edge panel again. Click on this pen at the bottom and tap on Remove icon at the top right corner of your shortcut. Then go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!